In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Substack newsletter logo. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to upload a new logo for your publication. First, log into your Substack account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Inside the dashboard, stay on the left panel and look for Settings. Click Settings to open up all the configuration options for your publication. Within the settings page, you're looking for a section called Basics. It's usually near the top, but if you don't see it right away, scroll down until you find a section labeled Website. In that website section, you should see a button that says Edit Theme. Click on Edit Theme to open the Substack website editor. Inside the website editor, focus again on the left panel. Look for an area labeled Theme. Here you'll see that the theme can be based on your profile or set to a custom option. Switch it from Profile to Custom. This tells Substack that you want to use your own design choices rather than just pulling everything from your profile. Once you've switched to Custom, move to the bottom right corner of the editor and click Save. After saving, click the back icon to exit the editor. Then click on Settings one more time. Now, you should see that Basics section we were looking for earlier. In the Basics section, find the field labeled Publication Logo. This is where you'll update the logo that appears for your newsletter. On the right side of Publication Logo, click the Add Image button. A small drop-down will appear, giving you a couple of choices. You can either upload image from your computer or generate image using Substack's tools. For this walkthrough, choose Upload Image. When you click Upload Image, your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your logo file is saved. Select your logo, then confirm the selection, usually by clicking Open or pressing Enter on your keyboard. Now, just wait a moment while Substack uploads your logo. Once the upload finishes, your new logo will appear in the preview. At this point, your Substack newsletter logo has been successfully updated.